Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned what is Python, how to install Python, and how to write first program. Okay, you will get previous video link in the description below. Today we'll learn some very important basic concepts of Python. So what is variable? What is identifiers? What is data types? What is keywords? And what is operators in Python? Okay. Okay, let's start. What is variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location in program. Let me explain in a simple way. When a program runs, the computer uses memory, or we can say RAM to store data. This memory is divided into many small locations. A variable stores a value inside the computer's memory, and the variable name helps us to find these values. For example, here we have name. Name is a variable and the Lalit is a value. Same way age is variable and 15 is its value. And percentage is a variable and 18.67 its value. Okay. Python automatically stores this value in memory. Now question comes in our mind, what is memory? Let's see. So memory stores data temporarily inside the computer. So memory is a place inside the computer where data is stored temporarily while a program is running. Think like a cupboard or any kind of location where we have shelf or boxes inside it. So in each shelf has a label, and in that shelf we have our value. So in our case, the first block or shelf we can say this, and its title or name is name, and the value is Lalit. And the second block we have is its title is age and the value is 50. The third block title is percentage and the value is 80.67. So this is how variable stored in memory. Now let's see what is identifier. An identifier is a name given to a variable, function, class, or any object in Python. So currently do not worry about functions, objects, everything. Right now we saw variable example in above slides. So we talk about only variables. Identifier is just a name, but Python is very strict about how we give names. Let's see. So there is a rules to give names. In variable names, only characters allowed and underscore allowed. Let's say characters are A to Z, it capital or it can be small as well, and numbers also allowed 0 to 9, and underscore is allowed in by giving name. And digit is not allowed. So 0 to 9 is allowed, but starting of the variable we cannot put any number of that variable. An identifier must begin with a letter or underscore. It could never be any number. The names are case sensitive. Python treats uppercase and lowercase letter differently. For example, if I write M small, my name, and N capital, and everything small. So these two variable names are treated as separately. So now cannot use reserved words. So you cannot use any reserved words of Pythons. Python has some reserved words to do some processes inside it. So those kind of words we are not able to use as a variable. For example, if, for, class, diff, while, important, else, something. These are the reserved words, so we cannot use as a variable. For these keywords, we have another separate slide coming up. So let's talk more about in that slide. And no special characters or spaces allowed in variables. Symbols such as exclamation, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage are not allowed in any place in the variable. Now in Python, there is no length limit for creating variable name. The best practice is for beginners, use meaningful names. Let's say whatever value or things we want to store in variable. So, so give it a that meaningful name that we can easily identify. Yes, this is the name of this value, and use lowercase only, and use underscore if we have two words combined. Let's say if we have student age and we want to keep a student age as a variable name, so what we'll do is student underscore age, that kind of thing. Okay, same way if we have total marks, then total everything is in small underscore marks. So this way we can keep identifiers or variable names. Okay, now let us see about data types. A data type tells Python what kind of data we are storing in a variable. Python has many data types, but today we will learn the basic ones. Let's say we can say integer. Integer stores a whole number. For example, age is equal to 15. So it is an integer. It is a whole number. String used to store text or characters. It is a rule that strings are written inside quotes, double quotes only. For example, name is equal to Lalit in double quotation, or we can say city is equal to Delhi in double quotation mark. Float used to store decimal numbers. Example, percentage is equal to 80.67. And boolean value. Boolean value always store true or false, two things only. None. None means no values. For example, result is equal to none. That means currently we do not have any kind of data type for none. Let's see practically these things. Okay. So first we will take example of integer. Let's say age is equal to 15. So the 15 value is stored in age variable. Let's say I want to print age. So 15 will be printed. Now I want to store my name. So it is a string. Name is equal to Lalit, or city is equal to Delhi. Right? And I want to print name, right? City. Will print city. Now float value. Let's say example of float value percentage is equal to 80.67. Okay. Print percentage. Correct. Now let's see example of boolean value. Yes, is past is equal to true. Yeah. Print is past. Got it? Same way we have none. So result is equal to none. Yeah. If we print result, it will not print anything. No. Okay. Now let's see what is keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python. They have a special meaning and cannot be used as a variable names. For example, here given is if, else, in, or, true, return, print. This kind of words are reserved words. So used by Python for specific purpose. So we cannot use it as a variable name. Okay. So now what is operators? An operator is a symbol that performs an operation between two values. Let's say arithmetic operator. So plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, power. So this kind of we can say it's a arithmetic operators. And we have comparison operators. Equal to, does not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are the comparison operators that compare between two values. Assignment operation. So if we want to assign any value to a variable, in previous example we saw that age is equal to 15 or name is equal to Lalit. So equal to is a assignment operator and it tells Python to store this Lalit value in name or 15 value in age variable. And the logical operator is and, or, and not. These are the logical operators. Let us see as an example. First, we will see arithmetic operator. So print 10 plus 5. So with the help of plus symbol, we tell Python to add 10 to add 5 into 10. See, the result will be 50. Same way we can say print 2 double asterisk sign. Double asterisk sign is tell to power of 2 to 3. Okay. Let's see. So it is 8. Correct. So now we can see comparison operator. Let's see comparison operator. Print 10 is greater than 5. So it will compare between two given values. So it will print true because we are telling compare between 10 and 5. Is it a greater, so 10 is greater than 5? So it is a true. So it will print true. Let's see if we say equal to, then it will print false because 10 is not equal to 5. Again, if we say less than, again it will print false because 10 is not less than 5 but 10 is greater than 5. Okay. Now let us see assignment operator. We already see, but let's see again. X is equal to 10. So we are telling that X is a variable and assign 10 into X. Okay, this is assignment. Again, we want to add something in X and assign it to only X only. So what we'll do is X plus equal to 5. So what this will do is adding 5 into X, but same way it is assigning also. Okay, now print X. See, we got 15. Okay, so now let's see logical operator, how logical operators are working. So we can say print true and false. So this is a logical operators. Okay, let's say print. So it will always false. When we compare true and false with logical, it will always be a false. Let's say if we want to print not false, so it will reverse the false and it will print the true. Got it? Okay. Okay, we are clearing everything. Okay, now operators are done. Let's see. Now let's see one example again. We want to print two things A and B, or we can say 10. We want to add 10 into 20. So what we'll do is with help of variable. First, we'll assign 10 in A, 20 in B, and print A plus B. So it will give result 10 plus 20, same. Right? Let's see. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and print A plus B. Right? So 30 is coming. So this is correct. So what we'll do is we did assignment of values in variables with the help of operators. We add those two values and give Python command that print this addition of those two values. Here A and B are variables. Plus is additional operator. Print displays the result on the screen. Okay, so the summary is in this lesson we learned what are variables, memory and identifiers, data types, keywords, and operators. Now, these are the foundation of Python programming, or we can say for any programming language, this is the pillars. So, there is a little bit different, but in in basic of any programming language, this will be the same. So, thank you for watching and hope happy coding. If you found this video informative, please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.